Hi, this is Raisa. Welcome back to my channel. Unsa mas nindot easy or everyday? Hi, this is Raisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna do an everyday quarantine makeup look. I already did my skincare and my base using the Sun Glow Tinted Sunscreen. If you want to watch my review on this product, click on the link on the description below. And now let's start. So I always start with my brows, and this is a new product I just discovered. This is the EC and Co Cosmetics, their brow pencil in shade Ash. So I'm gonna fill in my brows, upward strokes. So first I'm gonna fill in the lower part of the brows, and then outline the upper part of the brows. Fill in the gap in upward strokes. Then using a brush on the other side, brush it. And do the same on the other side. Outline first. And then fill in the gap. Nice stroke. Then again using the brush, blend. And that's it for the brow pencil. Next is set the brows with the brow gel. This is also from the same brand, and I really love this product. They compared this to the Glossier brow gel, but I haven't tried that. But this is really nice. I'm not into brow gels, but this one is really good. So just brush the hair up. It makes like a big difference, and it holds the hair up. See the difference? Okay, the other side. So if you have already thick brows, you can just use this, and then that's it. Next, I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm just gonna do So now I'm gonna use my new brush set from Kind Beauty. It's very soft, very good quality. This is their Head in the Clouds collection. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a affordable brush set. This is even better than high-end brushes. I've tried a lot of brands, but these are actually the softest brushes I've ever had. Okay. So I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm just gonna do a simple eye makeup. So using their blending brush with any matte brown eyeshadow, just get a little amount and tap the excess, and then blend it into your eyes. Concentrate on the crease. So do a windshield wiper motion. Go back and forth. As you can see, it already made my eyes look more defined. There. Then eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use a brown eyeliner. This one is from Laura, their Cocoa Caviar Stick. And then as close to your lash line as possible, line your eyes. Just follow the shape of your eyes, and then do a little flick at the end. See the difference? Wow! Then curl your lashes. Curl the end. So you'll have like a V-shaped curl instead of that straight line. So mid and then inner. And my favorite mascara. This is the Heroin Make Volume and Curl Mascara. It's waterproof and this is very good because it holds my curls. Another favorite is from L'Oreal, their Lash Paradise, the waterproof version. So either of these two mascaras. Now apply mascara on the upper and lower lashes. Get the excess. And then apply from the roots going to the tip. Roots, wiggle, wiggle. And this makes my lashes look fuller and longer. See? Do the same on the other side. So now my eyes are open. And of course, don't forget the lower lashes. So you hold your lashes like this, like the tip of the lash brush. And then apply on the lower lashes. Diba? Kim K eyes. So I'm done with the eyes. I just want to keep it natural. Now, let's contour the face. So I'm using the Kind Beauty brush. So this one, okay? And a contour powder. So any matte brown again, I'm actually using the same shade as my eyes. And then start from the top of the ears, going halfway, and then temples and your jawlines. Always remember figure 3. So this on top of your ear, going blend halfway, temples, and then jawline. So see the difference on one side of the face. This one is contoured, this one is there. So, surgery. It's just makeup. Okay, other side. Again, top of the ear, going halfway, and then a little bit on the forehead. And of course, the nose. So, draw a straight line on the sides of the nose to make your nose look slimmer and sharper. Sides, you can connect it towards your brows. On the other side. See? Instant nose lift. See the difference. And now, the cheeks. So, this one I just recently tried. The Sunny's Face Lip Dip in shade So Good. It's actually really good for the cheeks too. I'll just put a little amount here. Blend a little using your fingers. And then smile and concentrate on the apples of your cheeks. Smile. And then gently pat. And then see? Other side. And apply a little on the bridge of the nose for that drunk blush look. And then for the highlighter, this is one of my favorites. It's a drugstore highlighter and this is very affordable too. It's from Wet n Wild. Their Mega Glow Highlighter Powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. I'm using their highlighting brush. See? I like it. Okay, and then apply on the top of your cheeks. So this one here, concentrate on this area. And then a little bit on the brow bone. See? Diba? Glow. Watch out, watch out. And then apply on the tip of your nose. Bridge of the nose. A little bit on the cute. See, I'm shining. See, gana? See, gana? And for the lips, for that Korean gradient lip effect, I'm gonna use again the Sunny Space Lip Dip in So Good. Just apply a little amount and then blend the part. A lip tint from Lovely Cosmetics in shade Unbothered in the center of the lips. For Russian dark. So it's lighter here and then darker in the center of the lips. That's it. You can apply gloss on top or just as is. Finish the look, powder. So soft. And of course, my favorite finishing spray from Morphe Cosmetics. So, let it dry. So this is my finished look. I hope you like it. So you can do this look if you wanna go out and buy grocery or for your Zoom meetings, or if you want, why not, right? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Bye.